Very cool. It is a large size. I'd say it's at least 16 by 20 maybe. And I used Nova paints on this, and I just love their paints. Got some really cool cells in here. I use a lot of small cups when I do something like this. I don't do just 2 or 3 big cups because everything stretches too much. I'm going to show you another one in my kitchen that I hope you like. This is another one. This one is long and it reminds me of the beach. And again, I use Nova paints, and you can see the silver really came out cool. Sometimes it is really, really hard to put the metallics in your painting and have them make cells. At least that's been my experience. I'm going to take you now to 2 swipes I have on the wall, and I started backing mine with another larger canvas because I just like the way it makes them stand out more. These were a couple swipes that I did. It's been a while since I did them, but you can see how I put the black canvas on the back so it makes it stand out more. Again, check out Nova paints. I don't work for them. I don't get anything from them, but I really like their paints. You get a lot for your money. Have a great paint day, fellow artists.